A leak of the iPhone 15 Pro Max case reveals Apple's intention to replace the mute key with a custom button. Leaked photographs of a protective case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max have appeared online as the highly anticipated introduction of the Apple iPhone 15 series approaches. The images posted by well-known leaker Majin provide a look at the alterations made to the appearance of Apple's forthcoming flagship device. The typical mute switch, which hasn't changed in 16 years, has been moved, which is the most major modification that can be seen in the leaked photographs. The mute switch on earlier iPhone models was located on the top left side of the device and had an easy-to-use flat and narrow oval aperture in the case. The leaked iPhone 15 Pro Max case, however, deviates noticeably from this well-known design. The aperture where the quiet switch used to be has been altered with a broader and more rounded shape. It's possible that this altered aperture will hold a new custom button that will take the place of the conventional quiet switch. Apple is reportedly planning to replace the venerable mute switch with a more functional custom button, according to earlier claims. It is said that this button has a tiny CPU that enables users to carry out different tasks even when the battery is low or the device is off. Making safe Apple Pay purchases and finding the iPhone with the Find My iPhone feature are two examples of these features. Notably, the case has a unique cutout for the camera module, suggesting a potential improvement over the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Apple could be adopting a more sophisticated camera system in the iPhone 15 Pro Max, as shown by the bigger notch. The Apple iPhone 15 series is expected to be officially unveiled, at which point we can expect to hear more about the cutting-edge features and advancements that are in store for us. As the leaks keep coming in, excitement is growing for the launch. What do you think of Apple's choice, with the iPhone 15 Pro Max, to swap out the conventional mute switch for a programmable button? Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.